and welcome once again to my channel. So in this video we are going to talk about the airplane mode in Infinix mobile phone. Remember that we are just only talking about Infinix mobile phone, no Techno, no Vivo, no Huawei, no Oppo. This setting is only for Infinix mobile phone. Before going to start our video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon in order to receive the new videos, new content information from our side. And if you have any problem facing any issue, any question, any confusion in any topic, don't worry, ask in comment. We will try to resolve that issue for you by making a video or sharing a video with you. So let's start the video without wasting the time. First of all, you have to go to your mobile phone setting and here you will find different and many options: my phone, SIM card and mobile network, Wi-Fi, hotspot tethering and more connections. So here is the option that is we need more connections. Just click on that. When you click on that, here you can see the very first option on the top of your mobile screen is airplane mode. Remember that if you make airplane mode on, so your Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi, your internet connection means SIM data will go off automatically. If you make this option on, so all the things will work properly. So let's have a try. Once you click on that, so it becomes airplane mode. Once you click on that again, so again it will go off and everything will go to its normal mode. So this was the first video this was the first method that how we can find airplane mode in Infinix mobile phone setting. While now I'm going to show you the second option as well. Just go back and to your mobile phone home screen. Now we are here on home screen of our mobile phone. So what you have to do now, just scroll down the page from the top of your mobile phone. When you scroll down here, you'll find 5 different options. Don't worry about that. Scroll down once more. So here you will find many and other options as well. I want to say it again that this is only for Infinix mobile phones. So here, the very first option on the left side, left upper corner, uplift corner is Wi-Fi connection, that is from fiber connected. The second one is mobile data, and the third one is Bluetooth and ring for flashlight, switch data SIM card, airplane mode. The seventh option or the third option in the second row or the second option in the third column is airplane mode. So from here you can also make airplane mode on. Once you click on it, so airplane mode will be on. We are going to long press on it. When we long press on it, so they will direct you to the same setting of your mobile phone that we did first a few seconds ago. So don't worry, don't go to the setting, just click on airplane mode, so they will make this option on for you, and your everything, that is Bluetooth, mobile data, strong fiber, sending messages, receiving messages, sending call, doing call, receiving call, everything, each and everything will go off. So this was a very short and helpful video that how we can make airplane mode on. Sometimes we need this option because we want that we don't need calls from anyone, we don't need messages from anyone, or we want to stop messages, stop calls. So this will help you to stop all these things in just a while. So this was a short video that how we can make the airplane mode option on in our infinix mobile phone. So I hope you got well. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.